There are 3 amazing alternatives to DALL-E that you absolutely have to check out. I'm going to start with Midjourney because Midjourney is really running out of space. I don't know how they're going to make it work once Midjourney's like their Discord is full. They have 30,000 spaces left and they've used almost 970,000. So this is really like urgent as far as getting in here. I think. I don't know if they're going to be able to solve this, but let me show you what Midjourney looks like. So with Midjourney, you get, I believe it is about 15 free to start, and then that's forever. And you have to buy like a recurring subscription to get more than that. There's a bunch I'm going to show you later on, which are 100% free all the way through. But Midjourney is really, really good at what it's good at. Now, compared to DALL-E, it doesn't do realism, right? Midjourney does a really good job of art, in my opinion, the best, you know, when it comes to art like this. This is The Universe in a Teacup by Midjourney, and you can see a lot of variation. So when you do an image, it gives you like 4 choices, and you can like say, okay, I want a higher resolution of this or a higher resolution of that. And the best way to work with Midjourney is you've got to look at other people's images and see what's working and not just try everything, because you might come with a specific idea that doesn't work at all. I came with the idea of voxel art. It doesn't understand it to the least, nor do any of these AI programs really get voxel art, in my opinion. But take a look here. You can see how beautiful some of these images are. The level of detail, beautiful stars and stuff like this. This is all Midjourney, and all based on Universe in a Teacup by Midjourney. I saw somebody else do something similar. I used a variation from theirs, and then I went from there. That's how you should do it with Midjourney, because it's not good at half the things you're going to come at it with. Look at other people's images, click the variations button below that image, and do all of that on Discord to work with Midjourney. Beautiful, beautiful art. Another one that you absolutely have to know about that a lot of people don't associate with each other, but this is Wumbo, Wumbo.Art. That's WOMBO.art is this website, and for some reason they also have the word dream, Wumbo Dream. But anyway, you can get it for the phone, but you can also do it right here on, you know, right here, and just click start creating. I've had a lot of fun with it. There are a whole bunch of cool styles that you can work with, and say, you know, robot ninja on sunset cliffs. Sorry, I gotta duck a little bit to see everything. You can mix it with an image that you actually upload, and you know, it will come up with the idea, and it's 100% free. You can do this as often as you want. There is a little thing about if you want a higher quality, I believe you can click on buy the print, and you can get one without all the jazz around it here, like open image in new tab, and you can see and go get the image. Anyway, so just some tips for Wumbo.art. If you want to not get all this name artwork and all this stuff all over your image, click on buy print and steal it from there. So just my little tip for you. Anyway, the last one in this list is thispersondoesnotexist.com. If you're a person that needs faces, this is brilliant. These are all people that do not exist. It just is really good at getting faces. And this is where DALL-E has a big letdown. I'll show you how this compares with DALL-E, but you can see here, these faces are really, really good. They do a really good job. Even the glasses and the refraction of light? Yeah, refraction of light is done really, really well here. And yeah, you get an image of a person that is exactly spot on. That's one that I always love, and I'll show you how this compares actually with DALL-E here. So these are a whole bunch of images with DALL-E that I've been trying to generate here. So this was I'm actually gonna make myself disappear so I'm not in the way. Boom. Okay, so this was a very specific prompt of like a YouTuber. Okay, a YouTube thumbnail. In which a pretty woman who just graduated from college is very sad and disappointed while holding their drooping diploma. And you have to be really good at coming up with the type, the focal length of the camera. For example, I used Sigma 85 f/1.4. So I used that to just specify what this image should look like. And so you can see here, it worked out really well, but you gotta learn DALL-E really good, and it doesn't get something. So this is voxel art, for example. This one was not bad, but the first one was mixed results in my opinion. I'll show you a little bit closer. So yeah, you know, doesn't really understand what I'm going for here, and none of those look like animals. This one was really good. Village in a clock. They did a really good job of, you know, putting an entire village. Okay, so when it comes to DALL-E, if you can get in, the waitlist, once you're past the waitlist, and you can just go to DALL-E and click waitlist, just Google search it, you'll get it. But basically, once you're past the waitlist, you can generate 50 sets of 4 like this with your thing. I wouldn't suggest you waste them because I don't believe they come back. It's 15 per month you get added to that for free. Anyway, those are some alternatives to DALL-E. Hope you enjoy this. I'm going to leave you the next video in the middle of the screen right now. Go ahead and click it and enjoy it.